returned to the vein of the patient. But you try to understand this very carefully. Dialysis is a method in which the waste products are removed from the blood. Okay, so they are saying that for removing the waste products from the blood, an artificial kidney is used. First of all, the blood is taken out from the patient. It is cooled to 0 degrees Celsius. It is mixed with anticoagulant. Anticoagulant means so that the clots are not formed in the blood. Anticoagulant. This helps the blood not to get clotted. And then it is pumped into the artificial kidney. Now the artificial kidney purifies the blood. And then the purified blood is again warmed to the body temperature, and then it is returned to the body of a patient. Okay. Now next they are saying sweating. Sweating is a form of excretion. All of us
Excuse
sweat.
me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you please explain what is the meaning of anticoagulant?
See, sometimes the blood gets clotted. Okay. In order to just save the blood from getting clogged. Clots, blood clots are formed if the blood is kept like this only. Suppose the blood is taken out of the body of the patient and it is cooled. When it is cooled, what will happen? The blood will be forming the clots. The blood clots will be formed. In order to avoid that, what is added? Anticoagulant. It does not allow the blood to get clotted. The blood remains in the liquid state only. It does not form its clots.
Okay,
Now then they are saying next is sweating. Sweating is also a form of excretion. There are sweat glands on our skin which are open out to the surface of the skin. You know that from where the sweat comes out of our body, from the sweat glands which are present under our skin. Sweat glands are very minute pores. Pores means very, very minute holes. Our sweat glands collect the waste products, waste solution of salt and protein from our blood. This is sweat, and this sweat comes out through the pores. Sweating keeps our body cool. Sweating is more in hot and the humid conditions. So sweating helps us to remove our body waste and also keep our body cool, especially in the summer. But you must have observed during the summer season and also during your rainy season, when there is a lot of humidity present in the atmosphere, we people sweat a lot. Okay, so they are saying sweat comes out from our skin through the small pores, which are also called as holes. And sweating helps us to remove the waste of our body, and it also helps to keep our body cool. Now your last topic of this chapter is excretion in plants. How do the plants excrete? Till now we have done the excretion in the human beings. Now we have to study about the excretion in the plants. But plants also excrete. Plants do not have any definite excretory system for the removal of their waste products. Like us, we are having a proper excretory system for the removal of waste. But the plants do not have such a system. The major waste products of the plants are given below. First of all, plants give us the solid waste like natural rubber, raphides, gums, and resins. These are the waste products which are produced by the plants, and these are in the solid form. Next is your liquid waste. Liquid waste products are essential oils such as sandalwood oil, clove oil, etc. So liquid waste are the oils, and the plants also give us the gaseous waste in the form of gas, which include carbon dioxide and oxygen. You know that when the plants breathe, they give out carbon dioxide, and when they prepare their food, they give out oxygen. The solid and liquid wastes are removed by the shedding of the leaves or peeling of the bark or by the felling of the trees. They are saying solid as well as the liquid waste are removed by the shedding of leaves, by the falling of leaves, by the peeling of bark. Peeling means by the removal of the outer surface of the bark of the tree, and also by the felling of fruits. Whereas the gaseous waste, wastes which are in the form of gases, are removed through the stomata, which are present in the leaves of the plants. And you know that lenticels also remove the waste in the form of gas. And lenticels are present in the stems by the process of transpiration. You know the process of transpiration, the removal of excess of water is called
Excuse
as
me,
transpiration. Yes,
ma'am. Is this clove oil?
yes. Clove oil,
Ma'am,
which is this is clove. You have heard about that cloves, which your mother uses in the kitchen. Long.
ma'am,
Clove means
is
long. It is one of the spices which is used in the kitchen. Okay.
yes,
They have
ma'am.
given us a picture of sandalwood oil, clove oil, then gum resin, then natural rubber. But one girl is asking me for the meaning of cellophane membrane. Okay. Here, let me just find out its meaning from the dictionary. Then I will let you know tomorrow or whenever I will be having next class. Now, next is they are saying the waste which is in the form of gas are also removed from the leaves, from the plants, through the stomata and also through the lenticels by the process of transpiration. Okay, so this was the whole chapter of excretion which we have studied today. Now, just in order to summarize, I would like to just say that first of all, we have studied what is excretion. That is the removal of waste products from the body. Then we have studied about the excretion in animals. I have already told you that animals excrete through their excretory organs. Then they have given us the types of excretory products. Excretory products means waste products. And they all are carbon dioxide, nitrogenous compounds, bile pigments, salt and water. Then we have discussed mainly about the human excretory system, which is present in the human beings. In that, we have done this diagram. In that, you have studied male kidneys were there, ureters were there, urinary bladder were there, urethra were there. And then we have studied about this in the detail, about these parts. After that, we have studied all the functions of kidneys. Then we have studied about kidney failure. What happens when the kidney stops working? Okay, then we have studied about the method of kidney transplantation. How the kidney is transplanted in a patient whose kidney is damaged, not working properly. Then we have discussed about the process of dialysis. In the last, we have done what is sweating, and then the excretion in the plants, means how do the plants excrete? Plants also excrete in the form of solid, in the form of liquid, and in the form of gas. Okay. With this, your chapter is finished.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, you can explain again the bile pigments.
Bile pigment is one of the waste products, excretory product. Wait, it is given on the page number 101. Bile pigments are derived from the decomposition of hemoglobin of the erythrocytes. Erythrocytes, I told you, that are the red blood cells. They are derived, they are produced from when the hemoglobin is decomposed. You know what is decomposition? Now, listen carefully. I am going to ask you one by one the questions. So just do one thing.
Okay,
Right
ma'am.
now, I'm going to switch off my video. Now listen. Please switch off your video. Whose video is on here? Yes, thank you very much. Now listen, only the girl whom I will ask will unmute herself and will tell me the answer. Others all will be quiet. First of all, Vedika, unmute yourself. Vedika.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Vedika, you just tell me Malpighian tubules as excretory organs occur in Malpighian. Wait. Bachcha, are you seeing that objective type questions? Tick the correct answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Malpighian tubes occur in.
Ma'am, and cockroaches.
Yes, Malpighian tubes occur in cockroaches. Mute yourself. Vedanti, unmute yourself. Vedanshi. If you will not unmute, you will be marked absent. Vanshika. Vanshika Randava.
Yes, ma'am.
You tell me, bache, if you will not unmute, na, this means you are not present for the class. Okay. Which of the following is not a waste product? Carbon dioxide, urine, milk, resins.
Ma'am, milk.
Milk is not a waste product. Good. And you have to mute yourself now. Tanvi Sharma, unmute yourself. Which of the following is not the part of human urinary system? Lungs, vacuoles, ureters, urethra. Which is not a part of the human urinary system? Tanvi, do you know the answer? Tanvi? Say yes or no. Tanvi, you are unmuted. Kindly tell the answer. No, she is not replying. Mute yourself now. Sunaina? Sunaina?
Yes, ma'am.
Sunaina, first, you tell me the urinary bladder has how many openings? Urinary bladder has how many openings?
Ma'am, 3 openings.
3 openings. Good. Next is Stuti. Stuti,
Yes, ma'am.
you tell me process of removing the waste products from the kidney is called?
Ma'am, transplantation.
No. The process of removing the waste products from the damaged kidney.
Dialysis.
Sirjan, unmute yourself. Sirjan. Sirjan core left. No? Shubhanjali. Shubhanjali, unmute yourself. Shubhanjali. Shriya Thapa, unmute yourself. Shriya Thapa, unmute yourself. Shipriya.
Yes, ma'am.
You tell me the process of removing the waste products from the damaged kidney.
Ma'am, dialysis.
Shubhanjali, mute yourself now. You have to unmute yourself only when your name is called, not after that. Sharika, mute yourself. Sharika.
Yes, ma'am.
Sharika, true, false. Higher animals have developed many special structures for the excretion. True or false?
Ma'am, true.
True. Next is Sanjvi. Unmute yourself. Sanjvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Earthworm and leech excrete through their lungs.
False.
True or false? False. Good. Samriti, unmute yourself. Samriti, unmute yourself. Sanjvi, mute yourself. Samriti, unmute yourself. Those who are not unmuting,
Ma'am, your voice is
Samriti, you just tell me. Samriti, you tell me kidneys are protected by the last pair of ribs. True or false?
Ma'am,
Sabgun,
the voice is breaking.
kidneys are protected by the last pair of ribs. True or false?
Ma'am, true.
True. Raghavi, unmute yourself. Raghavi,
Yes, ma'am.
Raghavi, you tell me. Ureters open into kidneys. True or false?
False.
Ureters open into
Excuse
kidneys.
me, ma'am. False.
Yes.
False.
No, it's
Ma'am.
true. Raghavi, it's true. It's not false. It's true. No.
Excuse me,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
it's false.
Who is saying excuse me?
Bladder.
Ma'am, they open into
Yes.
urinary bladder.
But it also has three openings. Two in the kidneys and one in the urinary bladder, urethra.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, say.
Ma'am, in book it is written there, they open into urinary bladder. In ureters.
They open into urinary bladder. Listen, much in book also it is given. If we will go to ureter, then the ureters are the two tubes emerging from each kidney. Means its opening is also coming from the kidneys.
Ma'am, it's true or
True, true, it's true.
false?
Excuse me,
No,
ma'am.
next. Yes,
Ma'am, the third question of true false.
it's true.
Ma'am, but in the book it is written that kidneys are protected by the last two pairs of ribs.
But last pair of ribs, it's also last two pairs means it includes the last pair also.
Okay, ma'am.
In the last two pairs, last pair also comes. It is protected by the last pair of ribs also.
Ma'am,
Now,
true.
ma'am.
whose turn is there? Whose turn is there
Ma'am, it's
now?
true or false?
It's true. Bache, whose turn was there now? Okay, Priyanshi. Priyanshi, you got the chance. Unmute yourself, Priyanshi. Priyanshi, unmute yourself. Did you get a chance? Okay,
No, ma'am.
Pragati. Priyanshi,
No,
you didn't get a. Okay, you
No,
just
ma'am.
tell me. The large intestine removes the undigested food through the anus. True, false?
Ma'am, false.
No, it's true. Large intestine removes the undigested food through the anus. This you have studied in your first chapter, nutrition. So it's true. Okay. Pragati, Pragati, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Pragati, tell me the process of eliminating the liquid waste from the body is called excretion. True or false?
Ma'am, false.
False. Now next. Paromita. Paromita Bose. Unmute yourself. Paromita, unmute yourself. Okay. Now she is not unmuting. One
Ma'am,
more
can I-
Pragati is there. Pragati 2849. Yes,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
just tell me. Lungs excrete carbon dioxide and water vapor. Is it true or false?
Ma'am, true.
True. Good. Okay. Niharika Bhushan. Niharika.
Yes, ma'am.
Large intestine removes the digested food. True or false?
Ma'am, false.
False. Good. Navneet.
Yes,
Navneet.
Yes,
Nephrons are the functional units of intestine. True, false?
Ma'am, false.
False. Yes. Mrigakshi. Mrigakshi, unmute yourself. Earthworm excretes through their lungs. True or false?
False.
False. Okay. Manat Sharma.
Yes,
Manat Sharma. Dash are the functional units of kidneys. What are the functional units of kidneys? Yes. Nephrons. Good. Janvi, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Janvi, tell me, dash excrete carbon dioxide and water vapor during the respiration.
Ma'am,
Which organ excrete lungs? Good. Jasmeet, unmute yourself. Jasmeet. But just Meet, you just tell me patient is kept on dash to remove the waste products. Patient is kept on. Say loudly. Patient is kept on dialysis to remove the waste products. Okay. Next, Japneet, unmute yourself. Japneet. Japneet, you tell me the blood after dash is warmed to body temperature.
Ma'am, dialysis.
Dialysis, good. Jessica Kaur. Jessica. Jessica, unmute yourself. Those who are not unmuting, na, they are going to get 0 in the today's test. Jessica Kaur. And some of you are smart enough to leave the class in between. They are also going to get 0. Harsimrat. Harsimrat. You just tell me one thing. Liquid waste products in the plants include dash oils. Which oils are contained in the liquid waste? Harsimrat, can you please tell which oils are the liquid waste? Today I have taught you this paragraph only.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in filling the blanks, third part, ma'am, the answer is artificial kidney.
You can also write artificial kidney, dialysis also right. Both are right.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you,
Okay.
ma'am.
No, girls, who was there? Harsimrat? Whose turn is going on? Harsimrat?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Harsimrat, can you? Bache, if you don't know the answer, you can simply say, ma'am, I don't know, kindly pass. Don't waste time. Do you know the answer, Harsimrat? Harsimrat, do you know the answer? Say yes or no. Harsimrat, kindly reply. Do you know the answer? Harsimrat, are you there? Harshleen, unmute yourself. But if you don't know the answer, then you have to simply say no, ma'am. Harshleen Kaur. Harshleen Kaur, unmute yourself. Gurmanjot Kaur. Gurmanjot.
Yes, ma'am.
Gurmanjot, you just tell me liquid waste products in the plants include dash oils.
Ma'am, essential oils.
Essential oils, okay, good. Essential oils can also come, and also you can write cloves and sandalwood oil. You can write anything. Good. Now next is Diksha Chaudhary. Diksha Chaudhary. Diksha Chaudhary, unmute yourself. Bache, I will not keep on repeating your name. I will say your name only twice. Bridhi Sharma. No. Bridhi Sharma. Bridhi.
Ma'am, I don't know.
Okay. Next is Arshpreet. Arshpreet, unmute yourself and listen. I am going to ask you, single-celled organisms use the method of dash for the removal of their wastes. Single-celled means unicellular organisms remove their waste by the method of
Diffusion.
diffusion. Very good. Next one, Arshdeep Kaur. Arshdeep, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Arshdeep, you tell me dash is the main nitrogenous waste. My voice is repeated. Just wait for a minute.
Okay, ma'am.
Dash is the main nitrogenous waste present in the urine.
Ma'am, urea.
Urea, very good. Next is Ariana. Ariana,
Yes, ma'am.
you just tell me patient put on the artificial kidney to remove the waste products is known as
Dialysis.
dialysis. Very good. Next is Akshita Gupta. Akshita Gupta. Unmute yourself, Akshita. No, she's not unmuting. Ayman. Ayman. No, she's also not unmuting. Agrima Sharma. Agrima.
Yes, ma'am.
You tell me ureters are 2 dash about 30 centimeter long.
Ma'am, tubes.
Tubes, very good. Aditi Sharma. Aditi. Aditi Sharma. Aditi, are you there? Bache, I am not getting one thing, that you are there in the class, but why are you not unmuting yourself? If you don't know the answer, you can simply say that, ma'am, don't know. I will not say anything to you. Ayat Chaudhary.
Yes, ma'am.
Ayat Chaudhary, you tell me solid waste products of the plants are the refined natural rubber dash and dash. Other than the rubber and raphides, what are the other solid waste products of the plants which I have taught you today? Ayat, can you answer?
Ma'am.
No, solid waste products I am saying, not the liquid one. Solid.
Ma'am, can I
Ma'am,
say?
gums and resins.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, gums and raisins. Very good, very good. So today we are going to keep it up to this only.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, in the evening I will send you the question answers of this next chapter. Short answer as well as long answer. Okay, you will copy them down and I can ask you for your notebook at any time.
Okay, ma'am.
Now the time is going to get over. Okay, so I'm going to end today's meeting. I'll send you the feedback form. You are requested to fill it and submit right now only. Okay, bache.
Okay, ma'am.
Thanks a lot.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Thank you, ma'am.
Attendance I have taken only the girls. Attendance I have written on my copy. I have taken the names of only those girls who unmuted themselves, not those girls who kept on muting themselves. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, bache. Bye bye. I'm going to end today's class.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.